This week, the lessons are about figuring out your focus. The first lesson is about the 80-20 rule. The second lesson is about tiered account management. And the third lesson is about niching down. The 80-20 rule is derived from the Pareto principle and is perhaps the most important rule in account management. Vilfredo Pareto was an Italian polymath, and it came about from him recognizing that 80% of the wealth in Italy belonged to 20% of the population. And this will prove true for a lot of you in account management. The top 20% of your accounts will drive outsized returns. All clients are not created equally. All clients should not be treated equally. It is important to stratify your accounts into tiers and then determine your account management plan according to those tiers and criteria. It is foolish to try to serve all accounts with the same level of service. By the way, this is true for sales as well. Jim Barnesh Jr. posted this on LinkedIn. And although this isn't a sales course, it is important to know that one of the ways PE firms dramatically increase the valuation of companies that they acquire is to focus on the top 20% of the accounts that you already have, because they want to try to replicate those successes and those kinds of companies. What they realize is that for 20% of the effort, they can get 80% of the returns. And to quote him here, I asked them this game-changing question the PE firms use in their portfolios to triple companies' enterprise value in 3 to 7 years. Imagine tripling the value of your company in 3 to 7 years. Do you know what that question is? Do you know what the average transaction value of the top 20% of your clients are? And this actually helps them to understand and change their organization so they can have a significant increase in deal size ranging from double to 5 times as big on average. It increases the focus on larger customer deals. It offers increased and enhanced efficiency in closing deals, leading to quicker and larger conversions. It leads to a happier customer base because they are best suited to your offer because you are focusing on the right kinds of accounts. And that's on the sales side. Back to account management. You cannot treat everyone the same. And that's because you will be giving everyone inferior results instead of giving superior results to some. Spreading your focus is the best way to provide inferior results. The best way to deliver outstanding results is to focus on fewer clients. However, that's not a good way to grow your business, right? The best way to grow a sustainable business is to reduce the amount of clients each team member interacts with so they can focus on those accounts much, much deeper. The only way this business model makes sense is to charge enough to allow your team to focus correctly. When we grew our business to 7- and 8-figure accounts, those accounts all had multiple employees dedicated to the success of that account. If you tried to replicate that for all of your accounts, you would literally go bankrupt. It's not possible to put 2 or 3 dedicated employees on an account that's only worth $30,000 a year. Instead, what you need to do is understand the stratification that needs to happen. And that is actually our next lesson, which is about tiered account management. Thank you, and have a nice day.